Here's a really sharp, super low mileage, mid-size SUV that gets incredible gas mileage. This is Jeff with Parker Wholesale Cars in Tallassee, and today I'd like to show you this 2025 Nissan Rogue S. Around back, rear park assist sensors, lots and lots of cargo room, a reversible cargo mat, and a first aid kit. Backup camera, rear wiper, rear spoiler. Really cool, argent colored, 17-inch alloy wheels with a great set of Bridgestone Alenza tires. Plenty of room for your rear seat passengers. They also have heating and air vents in the back of the center console. It's super black with charcoal interior. Black door handles, black mirror caps, LED daytime running lights, LED headlights. Forward collision sensor integrated right into that Nissan logo. It's equipped with keyless entry, bucket seats, embroidered floor mats, power windows, power mirrors, power locks, automatic headlights, auto dimming high beam headlights, tilt and telescopic steering wheel. In the wheel you've got paddle shifters, audio controls, trip computer functions, Bluetooth, and cruise. Here's the best part. Only 7,900 well cared for miles. Touchscreen radio, AM, FM, XM satellite, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. Backup camera. Heating and air controls, push button start, more USB ports, a 12-volt outlet, console shifter, electronic parking brake, keyless entry key fob, factory owner's manual, and Carfax vehicle history report. If you'd like to know more about this 2025 Nissan Rogue S, please give us a call, 334-283-6823. It's time you experience the Parker difference. Thanks for watching.